This is behind the scenes for Supercheap Auto's Best Performing Oils campaign 2024. My name's Woody and I am responsible for building Mr Zippy, the Ford Transit ice cream van that myself and Carl Cox are a part of. And the behind the scenes starts here. It's Wednesday afternoon and I've just dropped off the golf buggy for transportation for the talent this weekend, or this Thursday, these 4 days of shooting it is. This is a golf buggy that Al and I built last year, a little 6-seater golf buggy with some SAS bucket seats and racing harnesses, and also equipped with a safety turbo and Go Fast Bits blower valve, which makes lots of whooshy noises. We're actually going to change the stickers on this thing for some Supercheap Auto stickers. Here is the van, Mr Zippy, with a Turbo LS transplant. Got the lads from, what's your department, Andre?
We're the art department.
Art department. And you're changing it up already. That actually looks way better, to be honest.
Sorry.
Nah, you're all good. There was a platform in here. If you've seen my build video, you know what it looked like, and everything's getting changed. So the door's now off, which is just here, and another platform going in. The van was full of crap, but it's actually all tidied up now. So works all right, and everything's going good. We've got Mr Reese over here. Ahoy, Reese.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, man. What change hands?
How's things?
Yeah, really good, really good.
It's the day before the shoot. It's like exciting but nervous.
This lighting's perfect right now. It looks so good.
If it's still light tomorrow, I'll be excited, but we're expected to have quite a bit of rain.
Well, it's been raining for the last 3 months. I think you can bugger off by now, to be honest.
Yeah,
So.
it's this whole week's been fine, and then these next couple of days are supposed to rain, so we're just going to play it by ear, and you can't move it. We can't move the shoot.
No.
We'll lose over 60 people in the video. If we move a day, we lose 20 people. So we just have to hope that we get some okay weather, I guess.
What's your thoughts on the van, mate? You like it?
It looks good. The wrap is amazing.
Looks good, eh?
Yeah, they've done so well on it.
For a crappy old transit van that was parked outside on the road for God knows how long and covered in mould, it turned out all right, eh?
How's it drive?
It's not crazy fast, but it makes turbo noises and it's exciting.
That's all you need.
Yeah.
That should be good. You and Carl Cox in here.
Yeah, sweet. I'm excited to once the shoot's done, maybe Tuesday Arvo, maybe get a lap around the track. Maybe we can race. Yeah. Maybe we can race the Amarok here, mate. What do you reckon?
Factory doing laps. Let's do it. This thing's epic.
Filming for the ad is taking place at Lakeside Park, just north of Brisbane, and it's worth noting, if you haven't seen the ad yet, stop what you're doing, check the description, watch the ad first, so you know everything that's going on in this behind the scenes. You know what's going on. This is going to be very raw behind the scenes. I'm filming on my iPhone, and basically whatever cool stuff's going on in front of me, I'm going to start filming. So stay tuned for behind the scenes raw footage of Supercheap Auto's Best Performing Oils campaign 2024.
Hopefully you can get yourself one of these maps, familiarize yourself with the area. Once you've driven it once or twice, it gets pretty easy to remember how to get to and fro, but there are a couple of tricks. So,
social media, photos are fine, but just don't post anything on social until after the campaign comes out. Thank you.
There's also, I believe there will be a lot of social media content in the background that you'll notice as well.
All of this for 10 seconds on screen. Gotta be looking my best. Just got into costume. Once again, I've been stitched up in full white. I feel like that fat little German kid off The Simpsons has had too much chocolate. But now we're getting some mics on and we're on set.
Solid career after YouTube though, Woody. You know what I mean? Like if this doesn't work out, you could be spending a lot of time in a suit like that.
Well, I've already got the asset. I've got an ice cream man. That's the most expensive thing. Now I just need an ice cream machine.
It'll be fast. You'll beat every dickhead to the beach, man.
Hello, would you like some
Does
chocolates?
that have ice cream in it so we can actually get one today?
No, there's no soft serve, sorry.
Oh, wow.
I'm inside the ice cream van. It's been transformed into a bit of a serving station here. Marty and Blair at the front there. This is the end shot, so I'm handing these guys ice creams. Actually looking at myself on camera now, I realise how ridiculous I look.
Correct.
Oh gosh.
There we go. The order of this.
Cameras. Nice and quiet. Stay off the radios. And action.
Okay, lads, couple of ice creams. Come with sprinkles.
That looks creamy. Thanks,
Why
mate.
do you get sprinkles?
Mate, I think that's a hooded warbler.
Mate, that is a Paris Major.
Are you sure?
100%. Hang on. That looks like a Sasquatch.
What happened to you?
Sorry, mate, we're closed. Oh, a bit of transit and the onset. Might have to tee up a race. This is like a full camper setup. Look at this thing. Got the Seeker on the back. The rain's kind of coming through at the moment too, which is a bit of a bummer, but oh well. The crew make it happen. All the expensive cameras get covered up and we wipe down cars before shooting, so it's caravans and caravans and caravans and golf buggies. And a Dodge Ram. Whoa, check it out. We're in the buggy with Chase and we're going to do a no prep hit at Lakeside. Ready, 3, 2, 1, hit it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, fully tapped. What happens there? The turbo. Just a little bit of rainfall holding up filming, but apparently it's going to pass, so we play the waiting game. Wet City Comp. This is day 3 of filming, my second day here. I bailed out the other day. It started piercing down with rain, so I left the chat, went home. Now we're back with the man himself, Carl Cox. He's on the decks.
Serving up some music as well as ice cream.
So we've got a green screen here. We've got the cameras over this way. And I think I'm driving the van and we're cruising around the campground for this shot. So we're in our outfits. It's actually so funny. I got stitched up with a white. There's mud everywhere. You got to be so careful.
Okay, cool. All right.
I think we're ready to go. Let's not do some skids because the car's turned off.
Yeah.
Big Al's got a cameo this year as a fisherman. Here's the stunt.
Now we get serious. All right, set. Here we go. And 3, 2, 1, go. Totally. Totally does. So yeah, that's all it's going to be. And they'll just be here. They'll just be here with your fishing rod, and you just whip out a shot.
You whip out a shot like you've been hooked on.
So Sketch, what am I doing? What's going on?
Well,
Hey, Olivia.
in my opinion, this is the best part of the whole video. But we got Woody here, we got Carl Cox coming, we got Mr Zippy, the Turbo LS van, which happens to also be my dad's van that Woody's been really sprucing up with a bit of skid factory action. So I think it needs its own segment, and that's what we're going to work on now. I think it'll do it, no worries, as long as we keep the gearbox intact. So that's up to Woody.
We're doing a skid. I'm worried about the 4L60, but it should be all right. We've got some wet roads and stuff.
Maybe we'll start it in a puddle.
Well, I don't know. We'll see how we go. It should be fine. It was definitely a skid. Do a bit of a ghetto rig down here with my phone. Try and capture some smoke, but I don't think it's going to work it. Oh, well. You still hear some V8 noises. Hey, Mr. Zippy. Oh, that was great. That was good.
How'd you like your smoke box in there?
Dude, that was so sick.
You're a smoky flavour.
It was had a smoky flavour.
Good job. Thanks, brother.
Thanks, Harvey. Cheers.
Nice one, Woody.
Do you want shotgun, sir? You can.
Oh, shotgun. Thank you, sir. Just to the action, please, Uber. TRX is like the gnarly one, eh?
Yeah.
How much power does this thing make? Damn. Oh, dude. Can I have this?
You can do a burnout in it. Absolutely.
Old Levi Clark just on the way to catch himself some bass. This is pretty epic. This whole set here has just been set up from art department. I believe Andre's in charge of this. None of this was here. If you know Lakeside, this is the entry. Got some trees, got a boom gate. Andre, did you do all this, yeah? You've set all this up? So what's this made out of here? That's not concrete, is it?
MDF and a concrete finish.
Oh, sick. Yeah, epic. So good. I reckon Lakeside should leave it here. They need something like this. Hey, mate. How you going?
How are you?
Yeah, really good. Got Levi's hot rod. Hang on, what do we call it? What do you call this thing again?
Rat rod.
A rat rod.
Got in trouble, but it's not a rat rod apparently.
Why
I
not?
don't know.
It's too cool. That's why it's not ratty enough. This thing we showed last year's video, that behind the scenes. It's so awesome. Sounds amazing. Levi steers the absolute wheels off this thing. It's epic. And Penrite this year, not Newlon, no.
Yeah, and a boat.
And the tinny.
A boat.
How good's that?
I haven't tested it, but yeah.
Let's
wrong?
let's go to the boat ramp. I'm keen to catch a fish.
Yeah. Hopefully you're down there.
This thing sounds wild, man.
Cheers, mate.
How's it all going for you since last year? You've done a few events now too, eh? Yeah.
It's what, sorry?
You've done a few events now since last year.
Yeah, we did 9 events in the year. Yeah, it was crazy. So.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Good one, man.
X-Men this year again. So.
Hell yeah, keep it up. So Tom the tinny, and then there's also Rob White's 370. This thing also was pretty wild. NASCAR powered. I went in this thing in at a Happy Laps event a while back too, if you remember. It's awesome drift car. Rob steers the wheels off this thing too. And my personal favourite this year is Skechers XY Wagon. This thing is awesome, and hats off to Kurt, the guy over here. Kurt, give us a wave. I believe, although it's Skechers' car, you're the one that's done all the gnarly work on this thing, aren't you?
Yeah.
There we go. Kurt's the brains behind it all. Hang on. You're the brains behind it.
I told him what to do. This is my idea this time. This time was my idea.
So hang on. This was rear mount turbo before.
Last week.
Last week.
Yeah, last week it was twin 3485s.
But hang on. Before that, it was a single G42.
And then before that it was a single, what was it?
It went from a single G3788 to a single G42 1450, and then it went to twin G42 1200s, which didn't work, and then we went down to twin G3584s.
And now we're
And
up
now-
to G40 1100s.
So hang on. The previous turbos were mounted at the back,
Yeah.
and that G42 is on the van. Is that right?
Now that's the one on the van.
Yeah, sweet. All right, and some twin G40s. This thing's awesome, man. Sounds sick. And how much power does it make now?
As it is, with no CO2, no pressure on the gate, about 1,000 horsepower. So
Sweet.
like about 10 pound was 1,000 horsepower.
And are you driving it?
I'm not driving it. I'm flying drones.
Oh yeah, sweet.
Josh is driving it.
Okay.
He's keeping it together.
Sweet.
We got a little bit of a secret back here.
Oh, the secret. What are you going to show? Ejectocito, cuz.
And we've got a bit of danger to manifold back here.
Oh, sick. Yeah, a bit of nitrous. Wait, is it? I thought you said it comes on boost all right, though. Or is that?
It comes with boost alright, but you want something to come real on boost?
This thing's sick. Nah, awesome, man. So why don't... Oh, yeah. Little bit of nitrous.
75 shot.
Yeah, sweet. So why aren't you towing a trailer? Because out of all the cars here, I'd say this is probably the most street
I
car-ish.
think when you see the video, when you see the final production, you'll see that this thing does tow a trailer for a short amount of time.
Okay.
It's a little bit of a secret there.
this little rig. Pretty sick too, SR20 powered, like rear engine thing. Pretty awesome. It looks like a Volkswagen. Yeah. Ah, my ears. Yeah, it scared me a bit. I think it's like a class 10 racer, I think it might be, something along those lines. Looks pretty snazzy though. This thing was doing wheelies too, which is pretty sick. Had a bit of Hollywood going on.
This thing is just absolutely laying smoke down.
Your car's going to smoke it. Don't worry about it.
I think it was smoking before.
Your car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go.
Kind of what you expected to happen, right?
So what's your role? What are you doing? Oh yeah, we got some of those ones. Oh, that's cool. Sweet. There you have it, a very raw behind the scenes from Lakeside Park, shooting for Supercheap Auto's Best Performing Oils 2024. I want to say thanks to Supercheap Auto for having the skid factory involved and allowing us to build such an awesome car to be on set for the campaign. If you haven't seen the video, hit the link in the corner or check the description. An awesome video. They've also released a behind the scenes of how it was all done. So check that one out too. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the moment. I'll see you next week. Cheers.